Donald Trump is up against it. The former US president is facing a number of criminal charges across 4 separate cases. One in New York, one in Florida, one in Washington, D.C., and another in Georgia. It's a lot to take in, but Donald Trump is also running for president in 2024. He's even the frontrunner for the Republican Party nomination. So, what happens if he's convicted, and could he still be president? Let's look at the US Constitution. In order to be president, a candidate needs to meet 3 criteria. They must be at least 35 years old, they must be a natural-born citizen, and they must have lived in the US for at least 14 years. There's nothing in there about indictments or criminal convictions. As a matter of fact, this has all happened before. In 1920, Eugene V. Debs ran for president as a socialist candidate from prison. He even gained more than 5% of the popular vote.
If there's one thing about Donald Trump, it's that you can predict, it's that he's unpredictable. It's very hard to say how this will affect him. On the one hand, we're seeing a rise in the polls and in his fundraising.
That's right. Donald Trump is benefiting from the charges. After his infamous Georgia mugshot was released to the public, the former US president raised millions of dollars from supporters, many of whom believe the charges are a bogus attempt at stopping his return to office. The situation is complicated, and it remains unclear how this will all pan out. Fighting 4 cases in the run-up to the 2024 elections makes for a busy schedule. And if he's imprisoned before winning an election, we enter uncharted territory. Would he be released from jail to enter office? Could a second candidate take over and pardon him? As ever with Donald Trump, we just don't know what will happen next.